Today is Monday, July 15th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And we do have some hot temperatures, especially east of the Mississippi River. But you know what? We also have some hot temperatures west of the Mississippi. It's just a little bit more humid as you travel off to the east. And it's that combination of heat and humidity that's going to really kind of put that extra edge on some of the dangerous heat. Look at these temperatures throughout the Great Lakes. We got mid and upper 80s from Grand Rapids to Detroit, to mid 80s in Cleveland, 92 today in Chicago. There will be some scattered showers and storms in this part of the country. Some of them will pack quite a punch. Could be even a couple of severe thunderstorms. Then as you're down into the southern United States, or start to head your way toward the south, it is going to be very hot, upper 90s to 100 degrees. So we have literally more than 100 million Americans that are under heat advisories and heat warnings to kick off this week of July 15th. Well, really July 14th if you count yesterday as the start of the week. So temperatures today are extremely hot. We get a little bit of a break with that cool front coming through, and it does look like a cooler weather pattern is going to settle in by the end of the week and toward the weekend. In Chicago, low 90s today. We'll trade those for low 80s tomorrow, and then probably 70s for highs by the end of the week. So if you're not a fan of the hot weather, thumbs up to that, right? Going in the right direction. In the southeast, we have some temperatures that are still in the 90s, but closer to 90 near the coast, more like upper 90s as you travel inland. Of course, with the humidity here throughout the entire southeast, those heat indices are quite unbearable. 102 degrees in Dallas today. So we're going to stay hot through most of the week in the southeast. Eventually, that cooler air will dip in and cool us off. That will happen probably just in time for the weekend. Scattered thunderstorms popping up in Fort Lauderdale this afternoon. As we peak around 90, they'll tend to dry out as the evening goes on, but early evening, so some storms around, and it's kind of will be more of the same for the next several days as we are into that wet season there in South Florida. That is your Monday morning weather update. I hope you all have a fantastic start to your week, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.